Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna do a review about Skool. So in this video I'm gonna give you my honest review about Skool and how to use Skool, and also if Skool is the right platform for you guys. Okay, but first of all, if you wanna get an access to Skool, remember I'm gonna give you a 40 days free trial so that you can able to use Skool for free, guys, for 40 days free trial, guys. Okay, so let's talk about some of the features that Skool offers compared to other platforms like Facebook, or maybe like Kajabi, or maybe like ClickFunnels. Okay, so what I like here about Skool is that with Skool, guys, you can also build a community that is engaging, guys. Okay, so Skool is the best platform that you can use right now to build a community that is engaging, so that you can able to use Skool to sell your online courses, so that your customers can share the results that they're getting, guys, with your course, guys. Okay, so let's start with this, guys. Okay, let me show you how you can create your own community. You can just click here to create a community. It is easy to use to create your own community here on Skool. It is so simple, it is so easy to use. It's so easy to use Skool to create your own community here. So what else you can do here with Skool? After you created your own community here, uploading your own videos, you can able to see how many members that you have. As you can see that I have this community has this community has 32,000 members. As you can see that online close to 16 members. I have one admin. Okay, and also see under here, guys, under community. So under community, this is whereby that you can able so that as well as you are a creator as well, you can able to do some announcement, you can able to talk whatever you want to share with your community here. You can do all of those things. You can also share some videos, you can also share some links, you can also share some photos. There's so many things that you can do here on Skool. Okay, let me show you. As you can see that these are some of the communities. You can see the community here, guys, it is engaging. As you can see that their comments, their likes. Okay, as you can see that here on this community, the members, they are engaging, guys, here on Skool. Your members, they can share about the results that they are getting from the courses that you are selling, that you have. Okay, they can also check here to wins. Okay, if you click here to wins, meaning that Skool is gonna be showing me all of the wins that my clients, they are getting, guys. Okay, as you can see that this person is getting more views, guys, on social media. Okay, they are sharing their wins. What I like about this is that it's gonna help you not to get refunds on your courses, because there are some members, guys, they will not have the patience, guys. Okay, they want to get results fast, but when they see other members that they are getting results with the course that you are selling, is gonna be a positive motivation for them. Okay, you see that, guys. Okay, it's gonna motivate other members in your community, guys, okay, to engage. Okay, as you can see that some of these members, they are sharing their wins, guys. Okay, they are sharing their wins. So it is very, very important that you encourage your own community or your own members in your community to share their small wins. Okay, and also as you can see that some of them, they're gonna introduce themselves. Okay, as you can see that they're introducing themselves. Okay, all of those things. Okay, and also they are getting some engagement here, guys. Okay, all of those things. Okay, they're getting some engagement here. And also what you can do here, you can just click here to classroom. And the classroom, this is whereby that your members in your community, they're gonna able to watch your courses that you have, guys. Okay, they're gonna click here to open. They're gonna click here to open. So this is where the courses that they're gonna able to watch, guys, here. Okay, they're gonna watch all of those things. When they're done, you're gonna click here to done. Okay, or I'm just gonna click here to welcome. Okay, as you can see, these are the videos. Okay, as you can see, that's only one minute long. Okay, all of those things here, guys. Okay, they're gonna do all of those things, the members in your community. You can also go to calendar. What I like about calendar here on Skool is that you can able to host, you can do some hosting, you can do some webinars, you can do some one-on-one calls. Okay, here on calendar, guys. Okay, all of those things, some of the events. You can also check here the members that you have on your community. You can also click here to leaderboard. So on the leaderboards, what I like about leaderboard is that, okay, the members in your community, if they're in this number one, okay, you can give them some giveaways, some free money, or some one-on-one coaching, okay, to keep them engaging in your community, guys. Okay, all of those things. And also what you can do, you can also click here to about section. You can also click here to search. You can also search any community that you have, or you can just click here, guys, okay, to search any communities that you joined, guys, or any community that you created here on Skool, guys, okay. And also you can also click here to messages. It's gonna be showing you all of the contacts that are sort of the charts that you connected here, guys, okay. And also now let me talk about the pricing plans of Skool. As I said earlier on to you that Skool, guys, is offering you 14 days free trial to use Skool. You can click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to get an access to Skool 14 days free trial, guys, okay. Plus, what I like about Skool is that Skool, they offers amazing pricing packages. They have only one options, guys, okay. It's gonna be $99 per month with unlimited features compared to ClickFunnels or Kajabi, that they have some of these confusing packages, pricing plans, like 4 packages, pricing plans, okay. So with Skool, guys, it's only $99 per month, guys, okay. This is good actually, guys, okay. So this is my Skool honest review, guys, okay. If you have any questions about Skool, please leave a comment down below in the comment section. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Take care and God bless you. Sharp, guys.